Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm proud to present to you this very special triplet. This is the 1985 R4 F4, and this is going to be a full inventory of this R4 F4. Pulls that up, show the engine, goes on the performance details, and of course to show you about the interesting features inside that. So, here's the key. There's different keys. This black one is for the open all the doors, also the rear doors. These two are for the ignition, and this one is for the Neyman system to lock the Neyman. As you can see, it's not in so good condition, and this is actually my vintage car. I bought it a few days ago and I'm gonna restore it. So there's gonna be a restoration project for this car. But anyway, let's do the video. The car is already unlocked, as you can see. I have to, hold the door because it's gonna, But as you can see, it's very wide opening door. It's almost like 90 degree. Cloth interior, as you can see, beige and brown. No airbags on this car, of course. It's a really simple car. And actually it's a really popular vehicle, especially in France, in our country. It is used as the 4L trophy and for young drivers, and it's also a very reliable car and very easy to maintain, very cheap to buy, cheap to run, and cheap to insure. So it's excellent vehicle. Very simple steering wheel, as you can see, and very simple interior. Not bad. The doors on this car are so light. So it's a 4-speed manual transmission on the dashboard, as you can see, right there. And also I'm gonna show you how to start the car correctly. So this one for the ignition. I'm gonna show you right now. Oh, just key. Alright. Actually, you need to start the car with the choke right there, but it's already warm up, so you can start like this. Starts very nice, as you can see. Beautiful setup. 2-spoke rubber steering wheel. There is no power steering in this car, but actually pretty fluid, as you can see. Beautiful. Horn is located right there. Very interesting. So, like I said, it's a 4-speed manual transmission. I'm gonna show you how it works. It's pretty simple. You have first, second, third, and fourth, and rear all the way to the right. So first, like this, second, third, fourth, and as you can see, reverse. Very simple to use. The parking brake on this car is located just right there. To deactivate it, make sure you have your foot on the brake and pull the lever right there, and to activate it, just, as you can see, pretty simple, just pull it. So I have to push. I'm gonna show you once again. So push all the way over and to deactivate it, as you can see. Very simple. Alright guys, so now let's turn on the headlights. There is no fog lights on this car, and turn on the hazards. Manual windows, as you can see. There is no power windows on this car. The handle is located just right there. And now we're gonna open the hood. I have to push this lever right there to open it. And let's take a good look at the exterior, shall we? And this is actually the F4 version, so this is the utility, so this is the workhorse version of the R4. As you can see, the body is not in so good condition, but anyway, very small wheels. As you can see, it's a 3580 R30, so it's very small wheels. This car has actually 4-wheel drum brakes. The exhaust is brand new on this car, and it's 13-inch wheels, as you can see, in good condition. Just a bit of rust, but I have to restore it. And as you can see, the drums also in the front, you can see a bit. This car has a bit of rust, but you can treat it. This car has the 845 cubic meter engine. So this is a petrol engine known as the Clion engine. In French we say Clion. So this is a timing chain engine, so you don't have to replace the belt on this car. Top speed of this car is 115 kilometers per hour. 0 to 60 with this car is in 30 seconds, so it's very slow, as you can expect. The fuel consumption anyway with this car is around 5 liters per 100 kilometers, and of course it's a front wheel drive. And you have also this, now the battery is brand new on this car, and you have this interesting lever. So there's the washer right there. Coolant. And there is your air filter right there, as you can see. And your brake fluid. So there's the vents, and there's the headlight washer mechanism. Every light on this car works. This is a 34-year-old car. You know, there is some imperfection in the body, but anyway. As you can see, there is no too much rust. So this car is nice handling, as you can see. So this is your Renault R4F4 logo. As you can see, the engine runs pretty good. And also you have running guards, just like right there. There is the only one missing. As you can see, pretty good condition this car is. So now let's check the interior. I have to hold the doors because there's a lot of wind. as you can see, you have pretty soft but solid doors, but it's very light, huh? As you can see, the handle is just located right there. You can see, interesting. So you have a very simple adjustment for the driver's seat. So there is only manual adjustment, of course. You have only sliding adjustments. You don't have recline, you know, all these things. And there is no headrest, of course. So it's a very, very simple car. So like I said, the handbrake right there, a bit of storage, and the choke right there. As you can see, I'm gonna show you a bit later in the video. Alright, let's see how this car sounds. Sounds pretty good. Alright, so there is your light indicator controls, right there. So there is your headlights. A bit of storage, so like I said, there is your vents, located there. Ashtray and vents right there. As you can see, the interior, how it looks. So right there is your climate control adjustment, fan speed, temperature, located right there, and this number right there is to adjust the zones. For example, the you know, the vents for the front and of course for the rear, as you can see. So there is your temperature, like I said, and as you can see, there is your very clean. It's very clean, as you can see. Very clean floor. A bit of storage, and right there you have your headlight washer activation. Very interesting, as you can see. And your wiper switch, of course. Works pretty good, as you can see. So right there is your illumination, but it works. Doesn't. Okay, it works. Okay. Of course, it's a manually dimming rearview mirror. Sun visor, very simple. Also on the other side, as you can see, pretty interesting. It's a very interesting car, as you can see, but it's pretty good. It works very nice. Very solid, very reliable. But you know, it's a 30-year-old car, so don't expect to find, you know, some luxury features except a power steering, power windows, power mirrors. The mirrors on this car are manual, of course, but this car is made for, you know, driving pleasure and you know, just enjoy the ride. Just have to, you know, the keys on this car, it's a bit. Alright guys, so let's continue the rest of the tour. Sofa open the rear doors, just use the same key. It's already open. There is my bike, but as you can see, pretty good space. You have a illumination right there, and you can also open the top with these levers. As you can see, you can open actually this part, but the system is broken. As you can see, pretty good space. I have my safety tools, a bit of oil and coolant. So there's the fuel cap. And actually you can fold down this the seat. I'm gonna show you. Just pull this lever and then you can recline it like this. Very simple. And also you can, you know, go like completely, but you have to push another button. I don't know, but as you can see, it's pretty practical. It's pretty convenient. Oh, close the door for me. So like I said, it's on laser. So you have a bit of, you know, a bit of cleaning, but anyway. Again, you have some good size storage. But this car is actually pretty clean. So, you know, but it's really compact. But anyway, after restoring the seats, steering wheel is very thin, as you can see, but it's in good condition. But overall, this car is so fun. No, easy to maintain, to, you know, to ensure very cheap to buy, cheap to run. It's really a beautiful, interesting car. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this interesting video. Feel free, you can subscribe to my channel. Be sure to stay tuned next time, because I got a lot more that came from. Take care everybody.